Now we are going to talk about job costing. If you incur a cost for a job, you will need to apply a job to that cost. I would just have to make sure that I record the customer job in the customer job field. This check mark means this is a billable expense, which means I want to be reimbursed for this expense. I would uncheck that if I just wanted to record the cost of the job, but not necessarily getting reimbursed for it as soon as I choose. This cost will be recorded to this job, and I can look at a profit and loss by job and see this is a cost to the job. Maybe you didn't enter a bill and you are writing a check. You will find those same fields exist on a check. On the Expenses tab, you have that Customer Jobs field on the Items tab. If you're entering a journal entry, you'll also find a customer job here to record a journal entry. And to increase my cost to a job, I would first choose an expense account. I'd enter a credit amount on the first line, which will decrease the expense account. Then our debit account on the second line, I will choose the customer job on the second line. You can also record time to jobs. To record time for jobs, you'll either use a single activity or you'll use a weekly timesheet. The single activity allows you to enter the employee who did the work. You'll choose the customer job, the service that was performed, or the amount of time the employee worked on that job. If you're going to get reimbursed for that time, make sure to check the billable box. If you're not going to get reimbursed, you uncheck the billable box. You can also add any notes to that time activity. The single time activity will roll up into the weekly timesheet. One thing that's important about time is that the cost doesn't show up until you pay the employee. So you will need to create a paycheck in QuickBooks to have the cost of the employee's time showing your job. Let's take a look at a paycheck that has a job cost on it. From the Employee Center, we'll double-click the paycheck and look at the details. Here we will see the information that has been recorded on that paycheck. This customer job field must be populated for the cost to be recorded to the job.